vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. And is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, rear wheel drive, steel wheels, low tire pressure warning. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.